Hello, this is MJ. The Korean dish I'm going to introduce you today is a shigumchi muchim. In English, seasoned spinach. Shigumchi muchim is a Korean side dish and is eaten with the main dish. It's also one of my favorite foods. When I was a child, when my mother made it, I used to eat it all before it was served. Shigumchi muchim is a really simple recipe that anyone can easily make. Also, it does not contain any animal ingredients, making it a good food for vegetarians as well. The ingredients are first, spinach. Here is a spinach at 400 gram and garlic. I'm going to mince the garlic and sesame oil. Sesame oil adds a unique flavor to food and enhances the appetite. And soy sauce and salt. Soy sauce can be of any kind. And toasted sesame seed. If you're living in Europe like me, you can get sesame oil and toasted sesame seed at a nearby Asian market. If you live in the Netherlands, you can get it from the Amazing Oriental chain store. First, boil water in a large pot. Water is for blanching spinach. When boiling water, add the salt together. The salt keeps the spinach color more vivid. When the water is boiling, turn off the fire and blanch the spinach in the water for between 30 and 50 seconds. After spinach has been blanched for 50 seconds, strain the water from the spinach with colander. Then rinse the spinach in cold water right away. Rinsing in cold water keeps the spinach tissue from the breaking and helps it maintain a solid shape. Then the spinach is thoroughly squeezed. Of course, you wash your hands before cooking, right? It is also a good idea to use disposable kitchen gloves when cooking. Now the squeezed spinach is ready. It's time to season it. Add 4 cloves of minced garlic, sesame oil 2 or 3 tablespoons, salt 1 tablespoon, and soy sauce 1 tablespoon, and mix. Depending on your preference, the amount of these ingredients may vary slightly. And also, you can make it with only salt or soy sauce, but I want to put the two together. Now, I sprinkle some sesame seed on the spinach and it is done. Isn't it that simple? You can make a large amount and put it in the plastic container and keep it in the refrigerator to eat for a long time. This is how Koreans eat this food. This time, I introduce a Korean food that anyone can easily make. I wanted to show you that the cooking Korean food is not difficult, but you can easily make it with ingredients that are easily available in foreign countries. Next time, I will come back with more delicious foods or another topic. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe. Thank you.